Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin triple bottom, pi cycle bottom flagging, and wick off reversal, all suggesting this is the bottom. You'll definitely want to stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we are taking a look at all of these amazing signals lining up, suggesting that this is in fact the bottom for Bitcoin. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us over on Twitter at the Crypto Love. And let's get started. Today, still in extreme fear, right around where we've been for the past week. The overall market, though, up 3% today. Bitcoin at 27.23, Ethereum at 12.12, BNB at 237, XRP 34 cents, Cardano 44 cents, Solana $37, and Dogecoin 6 cents. And if you want to know the top coins today based on artificial intelligence and machine learning, they would be Quant, Uniswap, Sandbox, and Polygon. If you want to check out token measures for yourself, there's a 1-week free trial down in the description. When you get that, you can check out this research tab, see the code reviews, which is how they picked out Matic and also Helium and a lot of the other 100x cryptos previously. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin charts today, we can see this triple bottom right here. We have bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3, all in the same neighborhood. Now, generally, this is a pretty good pattern. Triple bottoms are somewhat rare chart patterns, according to Bulkowski. That makes sense because three bottoms seldom line up like soldiers at attention. They have a reasonable break-even failure rate and decent average rise in a bull market, giving them a solid performance rank. Now, taking a look at triple bottoms, generally the price is coming down, and then we have bottom 1, bottom 2, bottom 3. Once we break the confirmation point, which would be the higher of these points, or if they're facing at a down angle, the lower of them. But in this case with Bitcoin, it's the higher of the 2 points. Well, that is the buy area. Somewhat like you see right here. Once we break the confirmation, that is where you buy. Now, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart right here, we have 1, 2, 3 bottoms all in the same area. And right now, the top is roughly where we reached the 200 weekly moving average right here, right around $22,500. If Bitcoin price is to break through there, that would be an amazing buy opportunity before the price heads back upwards. Now, that being said, in the short term, Bitcoin is still holding this upward trajectory line that has us breaking out by roughly about the 1st of August. Now, furthermore, if we take a look at some other charts going on, this is taking a look at Bitcoin compared with USD and USDC, some stable coins. So bottoming zone, again, stables overbought, crypto oversold. It's important to note that we're in a different monetary regime, so caution should be exercised, but this is where we stand on a multi-year structure. You can see that when stablecoins reach this top area, historically for Bitcoin, that has been a bottom area in the price. We are once again in that top area, suggesting potentially at a bottom area for Bitcoin. And coincidentally, the tops also reach the bottom of that channel for Bitcoin and stablecoins. They kind of go in an inverse way. If we take a look at this, TechDev is saying we have some macro wave symmetry going on, basically comparing 2010 and 2014 on the weekly with 2015 and 2022 on a 3-week. You can see they're pretty much identical. This parabolic run-up followed by a correction and then a couple other bump corrections. We can see the same thing, parabolic run-up, sharp correction, and then a couple bump corrections. Looking pretty similar on the Chiken money flow and also on the distance in bars, again with different time frames. This is 1 week, this is 3 weeks. If we take a look though, right now the 3-week Chiken money flow is chopping around 0. Now, historically, when this has happened, it was chopping around 0 back in 2019. Well, guess what? That was right before the price took off. And then it was chopping around back in 2020. Well, guess what? That was right before the price took off. And so we were chopping around once again, potentially right before the price takes off once again. Because according to Stock Money Lizards, we have greater than 1 year correction phase, check. Consolidation phase in the middle of it, check. Bull phase, diamond hands, it's almost done. You can see here that we have the bear market, and then we have a consolidation pattern right here. And then once this consolidation is done, price rockets off. So we have bear market, consolidation, price rockets off. So we've already had the bear market. Now we are into the consolidation pattern. However much longer, we don't know, but price rocketing off in the near future. And I like what Mustache says here. Right now, most people are super bearish, and we can see this on this extremely extended long Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index. For months now, we have been in extreme fear. Well, most people are super bullish. But what if we were already in the final stages of the wick off cycle? Now that there's smart money in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, we just get wicked off to the top and we also get wicked off to the bottom. So you saw basically this wick off phase to the top, and now we have a wick off phase to the bottom happening before the price returns. And this actually echoes what I've been saying for a couple of days now, that if we didn't get wicked off back here in April of 2021, we would have had a typical blow off top, which would have been like a reverse wick off, which is these candles right here, basically just this pattern completely reversed. Well, if that happened, then plotting the 2017 bear market and also the 2013 bear market over where we are, guess what? We are perfectly set for a bottom. We're exactly where bottoms would happen. This yellow line is where it happened in 2017, 2018. This white line is where it happened in 2013, 2015. And guess what? We've actually gone lower. This has been the worst retracement we have ever seen for Bitcoin. So people who are saying, oh, it's only down 73% or whatever it is, as a matter of fact, if we didn't get wicked off, and if we look at the real charts from what would have been the top roughly about $130,000, guess what? We have already gone down way more than we should have. As a matter of fact, we can take a look at how far down this actually was. We've already been down 86%. So that being said, I think things are looking good. We have a perfect triple bottom setup. We also have the pi cycle bottom flagging on July 13th, and we have a wick off reversal plus normal bear market, par for the course. This is exactly where it ends. All of these things lining up, suggesting that this could potentially be the bottom. So thank you all for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. I will catch you guys later. Love you. Peace.